All right, guys. Well, dream achieved. Guess the cat's out of the bag. Um, I'm so stoked, so happy. I really can't tell you guys how much I've been wanting this car. And of course, this is not. It's stock mechanically, like there's no pistons, rods, or nothing, which is good. I'm okay with that because that tells me if it is built, they probably beat the balls out of it, right? Definitely don't want that. I'm ADD. I opened that. I was going to put fluid in it, but So today, probably going to take care of this vent because it really looks horrible from the outside. And this was replaced. Dude put an AGM battery in it, which I'm really stoked about. Those are not cheap. As you can see, it kind of looks crappy, doesn't it? So we're going to fix that. And this, I've never done vinyl or nothing like that, but I think I may wrap this entire thing black. And this, not today, just future plans. I also have valve cover bolts because these don't look very good. Engines, I just drove it around a little bit, so it's a little warm. Although it's a little cold outside, I'm still not gonna really mess with it. And I'm not sure, but I was looking online and it looks like they have a couple of cars with this on it. I mean, obviously it's not the only one ever made, but I don't think it's OEM. I don't know if the Evo 4s came with this or not. I doubt it, but a little bit about the car. It has about 86,000 miles. It has powder coated Evo 6 wheels, Evo 5 Brembos, because these didn't come with Brembos. I don't think they started putting Brembos on the Evos until the 5th generation, I think. I could be wrong on that, but put in the comments if you know better than me. I'm no expert. I know a little. I have a wiper arm coming in for it. I'm going to take that off. And also, this is an Evo 6 wing and trunk, which I don't like. Not my, makes it kind of look like a Mirage. And I assure you it's not a Mirage. So, I'm going to go grab those, some tools here. And I'm going to remove this and clean it up a little bit and throw some paint on it. I think I have some paint, and we're gonna get this looking brand new. So let me go get ready for that. All right, guys, I'm back. So as you can see, I removed the bolts. Now I got this, so I can try to get behind this panel here and pop these out and try to clean up this panel, because man, it just, it's kind of a focal point of the car, and you're showing somebody the car, somebody's looking at it like, ooh. So yeah, we're gonna take care of that. So let me get these off and we will see what else we need to do to get this going. All right, guys, so have all this mashed off so I can get all the little nooks and crannies. I mean, later on I'll sandblast it and do it right. I just don't feel like it nor have the time, so that's what I'm gonna do with it. Also, you guys can see how truly ADD I am. I only did this side. Still got to do the other side. So I'm going to throw some paint on here, and when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So sit tight. All right. Sprayed one nice thick coat. So it should look pretty decent. And I used the VHT stuff, engine enamel. So it should be chemical resistant, not like chemicals will be going on here, but you never know. So we're gonna let this dry. And I may hit it with another coat, maybe not. We shall see, guys. So I put the grill back in. As you can see, it still needs to be cleaned up right here. That's just dirt, but the grill itself, as you can see, is nice and black and all the same color. I really, really hate this. And I don't want to paint over it because it'll just peel off from the heat, but anyhow, that's how it looks, guys. So that came out great. And this is next. This little cowl right here, I'm gonna paint that next. And probably gonna paint this whole thing black. I don't know yet, because it do have a little bit of paint peeling off from the wrap that was on here, so it kind of took some of the clear off. And this comes out completely, so we'll see. Put in the comments what you guys think. All right, guys. Also, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this, getting out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, taking this out. Don't think I have the right tools. Anybody want those flaps for their Evo or Mirage? Hit me up, we can work something out. I hate them so much I may give them away, who knows? Depends what kind of mood I'm in. All right. So you guys kind of know what this entails, right? So I'm gonna stop it right here, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's done, because I'm sure you don't want to watch me do the whole damn car, right? So I'm gonna put you guys down. I'm gonna get that taken care of, check on my other deal. We might paint it today, we might not. All right, guys, as you can see, it's the next day. God, it looks so much better without those mud flap, whatever you want to call it, right? Looks 1,000 times better. And I don't think I'm going to lower the car any more than this. I like the stance. This is perfect. It does have teen coilovers on it, but I'm good. Definitely want to put the OEM wing on it. Although this one, it is growing on me. I just don't like the trunk. Because, you know, the fours have the reflectors right here and right here, but I don't feel like spending $2 grand to try to get it here from Japan, ordering a new one. Although that might be the route I have to go, unfortunately. But anyway, that'll be it for this video. More stuff coming, obviously. And don't worry, Ole Blue is still gonna get parts. I have parts coming in for her too. A lot of the stuff I'm gonna do to the Evo, I'm gonna test on here before I implement here. You know, trial and error type thing. So that way when I put the parts on here, I don't have buyer's remorse or have to return it. I hate doing that. So anyway, hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving holiday. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Put in the comments what you think. I guess that dream's realized. So anyway, love you guys. See you later.